I'm sitting here in District 2, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, with my friend Minh and Hoa. And Hoa. And today we're going to look at an apartment building. And Minh, remind me about District 2. It's largely the expat area, right? A lot of expats live here. So a lot of white Western people live here in District 2.
Yeah.
And what would be a price range in District 2 for, let's say, a 2-bedroom apartment?
You have to spend about $1,500 US.
So that's a furnished 2-bedroom apartment.
Yeah.
It's probably a security high-rise building with a pool, maybe tennis courts.
Yes.
A lot of amenities, parking.
Parking fee.
Okay. And again, we're in District 2, which is the expat area, so the good schools are here.
Yeah, it's a
good hospital here.
Yeah. We have Australia International School, we have Research English School, we have International Hospital, we have American hospitals around here.
Okay.
And then, it's here in the District 2, you can move to everywhere. It's very easy because we nearby the highway. The highway are only like 5 minutes to the highway.
And it's easy to get in and out of Ho Chi Minh City from District 2.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah, and then you can...
And what are we looking at today? We're looking at a 1-bedroom unit.
Yes, we're looking at 1 bedroom.
Today we're gonna look at a 1-bedroom unit. That's around $1,000 a month. And it's probably in a high-rise building again with the security and a swimming pool and a gym.
Security 24 hours, exactly.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. This is clearly the upcoming neighborhood in this part of Saigon with all the new construction going on directly around the building. They call the building Metropole? Metropole? Metropole in Thu Thiem, District 2, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The property's so new, the retail spaces haven't been filled on the ground floor yet. Wow, it even smells new. It has that.
Sure.
It has that new car smell.
Yeah. Hello. Are they just?
Okay.
Hello. Oh look, wow, she's beautiful, man.
Washer unit in the building, and a small 2-top burner. Decent galley kitchen. Oh, no power.
Oh no, they turn off the power,
I see.
Yeah, it's okay.
And how much does this unit go for?
1,200,
1,200 US. And how long of a lease do they want here?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year side contract.
Okay,
6 months is not okay? No.
They won't do 6 months. Comes with a neighbor's barking dog.
Look like you living in the countryside, right?
Yeah.
Not in the city anymore, man. Here it's quiet, man. Really.
Except for the neighbor's yelping dogs.
Yeah.
If I were renting from the owner, could I then rent it to someone else on Airbnb?
I will check.
Check. Okay. Check on that. So one of the amenities in the building is a co-working space.
Coffee, reading the book, or you can work in here with a computer.
If you get sick of your roommates or your spouse,
Yeah.
you've got a quiet place to work.
Yeah, you can work in here. It's very quiet. Wow.
Cool. And Helen, there's Wi-Fi?
So
Wi-Fi? A building Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Yep.
For sure, they have a Wi-Fi here.
Yep.
So
Okay.
look, brother, look. This is beautiful, right? When you're working here, and you look at the beach and you see the beautiful lady with the beanie. Oh, shit, man.
Oh, Ming's saying you could sit here and work and look at the
man.
women
So
hanging out at the pool. The unit here is a little expensive relatively to other places in Ho Chi Minh City, but you're getting this view. Breathtaking view of the most iconic bridge in Ho Chi Minh City and an infinity pool.
Like I told you, yeah, we have, when we walk in, we have to create the thing, you know,
Yeah.
and then your mind is very strong.
Yeah.
We see what we see, yeah. We don't
mind,
see what we don't see. See or no? Yes or no? Like Italiano,
Your mind is very strong if you live
Yeah,
here,
exactly.
supporting them in. Just look at the views of the city.
It's
Yeah.
not the normal swimming pool.
Yeah.
It's not the salt inside.
Oh, it's a saltwater pool.
Yeah. It's like the seas.
Okay, so this is a saltwater swimming pool.
Yeah.
The units behind me that have a garden on the roof, these sort of big glass boxes which have a view of the pool and the river, they go for about $2,500 US per month. And they're what, 2-bedroom units? 3-bedroom units. So a 3-bedroom unit here in this building with a view of the river and the pool and a garden on the roof goes for $2,500 US per month.
Well, you like to go do the gym every day, right?
Yeah,
When you live in the Saigon, right?
yeah. So, pretty good. You're gonna get buff?
Yeah, this the power of the day, man. Yeah, you cannot to find the best place to live in here, man. Yeah, really in the in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. It too. I told you before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The body is like this, but the heart is here. You live in this too, like you are king, right? When you open your eye in the morning, when you wake up with this place, how you think? When you live in Ho Chi Minh City, in the
think
maze,
like royalty.
Yeah, like this. And you can work in 24 hours. You can go 100 countries around the world, but it's nothing. Yeah, but like your mind is very strong.
So this place
That's right. In the morning,
gives you a strong mind and a strong body.
Exactly. For me, it's every morning we have to fly another plane in the morning, and let's see what happened.
Yeah.
For me, like that.
Yeah, I agree. This is living like royalty here in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yeah.
But anyway, that gives you an idea of luxury living here in Ho Chi Minh City,
Yeah.
right? About $1,000 US per month for a 1-bedroom, and maybe $2,000 US per month for a 2 or 3-bedroom.
Yes.
That's right.
And that allows you to live in one of the newest, fanciest properties here in Ho Chi Minh. Right next to the iconic bridge, it's got a view of the Saigon River. It's got amenities like a saltwater swimming pool, a state-of-the-art gym, and a co-working center in the building. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for a workout.
Yeah, for sure.